Hello, this topic is all about how to distribute a report in SplashGL. Once you've created the distribution lists, you're ready to burst and distribute a report to all interested parties in one activity. You must have the workbook open but not burst. Enter the report parameters, including at least a reporting period and a cost centre. Make sure that you've clicked away from the field that the report is to be burst on. You can click back into it, but there must be no flashing cursor or you'll receive an error message. To distribute it, click on the Burst button. Then click Burst and Distribute. Click the Bursting field drop-down to select the value on which the report will be distributed. In this example, we'll select Cost Centre. The hierarchy drops in automatically, and we can click the Field Picker icon to select the top-level value to be burst from. The cost centre we want is here in cell B5, and OK to that. Again, we'll set the depth level to 6 to capture all possible cost centres in the hierarchy. Click to include all levels, or it doesn't, and click the Next button. This takes us to the Distribute tab. This is where all the hard work setting up the distribution lists will come in useful. The system will default to New Template. As this is the first time for this report, we'll use the Upload CSV button. Navigate to the Save Distribution list. We'll double-click to open it. The file is uploaded and populates the cost centre and email fields. Click OK. When the files are distributed, the subject of the email is set to include the report name, timestamp and description. Change the word description to the period name for full visibility. Alternatively, create a subject name of your own. The message, or body of the email, includes the name of the TFR without your description, plus the process ID, when it was completed, and the username of the person who submitted it. You can add your own message here if required. Your message will override the default message. Please note, anything you type here will be seen by all recipients. We could click the Submit button to send the reports to the individuals now, or, if we want the report to be submitted at a later date, we could schedule the report by clicking the Next button. Perhaps you'd like the reports to be delivered on a Monday morning, in time for a regular meeting. Toggle the option to Yes. A unique schedule name is required. It's recommended that you use the naming convention of department code, your initials, and the scheduled date, with a dash and a serial number if you're scheduling more than one report per day. Select the date from the calendar and amend the scheduled time accordingly. Do not change the repeat option from once. These reports are reliant on the accounting period name. If the schedule is set to run the report again next month, then the dates will be incremented, but the accounting period will not. Therefore, there will be no values in the output. Click to submit the report. A message is shown to indicate that Splash is working on it. A list of the individual reports that will be distributed is shown. Some of the reports may take slightly longer than others to complete. The status button for these are shown in orange. The refresh button can be used to update the statuses. Click the cross to close. The list of reports can also be found by clicking the Reports button and selecting the Requests option. Again, we'll click to close it. The next time the report is to be run and distributed, you can use the template that you've already uploaded. Toggle the option to Use Existing Template. A drop-down list appears for the template name. Click to view the list. This list will be huge by the time all departments have uploaded their first distribution lists. Make sure that you've added the department code to the beginning of the list name. This makes finding your list a little easier. Click to select the appropriate list. And click OK. Change the subject to include the period name, and either move to the next tab to schedule the report or click Submit. If you haven't yet created your distribution list, then please refer to the how-to video that can be found at How-to Videos, Reporting, SplashGL, SGL, Create a Distribution List.